King Tony's extension wrench. It features a long extension drive bar that enables easier work in confined spaces. It's provided with 2 square drive adapters in 1/4 and 3/8. A chain-driven mechanism enhances the working durability and smoothness. Grypmat multi-purpose portable tool. Whether working under the hood of a car or on the cowling of an aircraft, the Grypmat will keep your tools and hardware in place, no matter where you put them. An essential tool for trade professionals, mechanics, tinkerers, gadget junkies, and DIYers alike. You'll be able to finish the job on time without breaking a sweat. MAMMUT 100-ton jack. The MAMMUT range of jacks offers service professionals a solution that is safe and easy to use for all those operations to lift earth-moving, construction, quarry, and mining machinery, where maintenance requires professional skills and expertise. All models are air or hydraulic operated and equipped with a dual descent valve for greater control when bearing weight and automatic piston return. They can also be fitted with a manual emergency pump. Matco's 1000 lumen rechargeable underhood light. It has powerful illumination of the entire engine bay that shines brighter, grips stronger, and outlasts most other lights. Its expandable length 47 to 69 fits many cars and trucks, making it a perfect choice for mechanics working in automotive shops or fleet maintenance. Soft padded aluminum hooks resist wear and provide a scratch-proof grip. The large gripping surface provides regular contact for better positioning when mounting the light underhood, undercarriage, or elsewhere. Solano AT heat gun. Solano AT is a particularly powerful and lightweight industrial heat gun with many useful functions. The device was developed in collaboration with its core users and oriented towards their specific needs. This resulted in a unique heat gun that is particularly quiet, efficient, and robust. Solano AT is equipped with a brushless, long-lasting motor, with its 2,300 W output and a weight of just 1.65 pounds. It is a handy, yet high-performance heat gun for a variety of applications. Katimex rope blowing device. The rope blowing devices from Katimex are the perfect solution for long-distance cable laying. The rope blowing technique enables a pre-lubrication of the inner wall of the conduit, which means a reduced friction, hence an easier cable pulling process. The safety valve on the Plus version also offers higher safety for the user. Stanley's FatMax Power Claw. The Stanley FatMax Power Strip Clamp features a spring-loaded clamp that will allow you to lock onto almost any surface, such as a table, bench, or ladder, to provide you with 3 conveniently located ground outlets. The clamping grips are rubberized and pivot to conform to the surface as needed to ensure a strong hold if the feed clamp is hanging upside down or off the side of a table. The FatMax coil also features a 3-foot-long heavy-duty power cord. SUMAKE Industrial Full Auto Shut-Off Fair Open-End Wrench. OEM Automotive Tools adjustable engine cylinder hones are designed for fast and accurate deglazing of cylinders. A powerful arm design keeps the abrasives accurately in line, while a spring tension adjusting nut provides positive cutting action at all speeds. The bore size is adjustable from 2" to 7" and can be used with any standard 1/4" to 1/2" drill. The home operates smoothly and provides a great glaze breaking finish. These OEM adjustable engine cylinder homes may be used with 3" or 4" stones. Rapid EG Pen Glue Gun. Ideal for use around the home as well as in charts and crafts projects. This versatile pen-shaped glue gun offers better grip and a long trigger for smoother, more precise gluing and more control when working on tricky or detailed pots. It heats up in just 60 seconds and is supplied with a stable stand for practical, safe and sticky-free storage between periods of use. Designed for use with our 7mm transparent and colored glue stick range, making it perfect for many applications. Equalizer Windshield Wiper Arm Puller. This kit has a different puller for each type of vehicle, and the puller contacts as much of the arm as possible to spread the removing pressure out over a large area. Works on a variety of foreign and domestic vehicles. The kit consists of 6 windshield wiper arm pullers, 1 slide hammer, 1 pressure spindle, a user guide listing specific uses for each puller, and all items packaged in a sturdy plastic carry case. SUMAKE Weld-Bead Cutter SD Court 400. This welding removal application inch building, tank manufacture, or automotive works etc. Suitable for welding removal and repair of metal molds. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.